Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, January 16th at 5:32 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so we've got a couple trade setups for you today. One is RGTI and the other one is SMCI. This RGTI has really been moving. And we got another 300,000 trade yesterday at 11. And so they also had this position in December 23rd was another 581,000. So this was pretty good because we've upthrusted, come back, we're crossing this print where it looks bullish. There's the if this 4 crosses the 8, that's game on. Maybe we'll get a gap fill in the longer term. So we add these together, and then at 962 there's also trades here, and we've moved in the opposite direction first, which is great. We're moving up, so looks bullish. Let's map it out both ways. Okay, so for the day trade, we're bullish above 1150 with a target of 1175, 1195, 1220, 1257, 13, and 1440. So when we're looking at these, it's a little squishy in the middle, but with a lower price stock, I mean, this RGTI, even though it's $11.30, it can move $3.50. See, look at this. We've got the ATR. In the last 14 days, it's averaged $3. There was a massive pullback earlier where they took massive amount of profit. Actually, this is 5 minute, but there was this massive pullback here, so that affected the ATR quite a bit. I mean, so anyway, it has been volatile. So when we map it out, we can give it about $3 on either side. Now, bearish below seems a little difficult here for the day trade because we have these other prints and we've got these different levels. So we'll be bearish below 1040 with a target of 10, 980, 962, so 5/8, 950, and 9. So we've got to get down here. This is really our pocket. This is the meat of the trade here. Okay, so let's look at the second one, SMCI. On the daily here, we've got another 750,000 at 3104 and 228,000 at 3105. So that's about $1 million there yesterday. We're at 3199. We're testing 32. And so this looks like it might return. And plus, if you notice the SPY and the Qs, the whole market was up quite a bit yesterday with the CPI numbers being so terrible. But anyways, if we close above this 3250 area, then we can actually get up here all the way through, and let's see if we could make a new high. That would be great. Or if we break below, then we can go short down to the bottom. Let's see how that works out. So that's the larger view. Let's look at today. So here we're bullish above 3250, which is a big level. We've got to get above this right here, this disaster. Target of 33, 3315, 3352. Right, the 3315 is a 2.4 million share trade. 3352 is an R3. So that's usually close to the end of the line as an R3. Anyway, if we stay above that 3425, 3475. I mapped that out a little higher because the ATR on this one is $2.50. Now we're bearish below 3175. So you can see here with all of this noise in the way, the downside is more difficult. But anyway, 3175 to 3167, 3150, 3128 down to 31. So we do have a trade down here if it starts to move. It's really tight though. But anyway, if it does this, then we do that. That's our trading plan. We're not biased. Okay. Okay, please like and subscribe, and hopefully you make some money today on these trades. We'll be with you after lunch to do a recap and see how we did.